Cameras are awful.
Oh, they have the entire train hitting the raid. Like they have the entire Royal Guards room.
The whole train's in.
Off.
Yep, the whole train's there. They're gonna.
Like holy shit, we need to get it on.
But they're gonna be able to zone out though. So.
Yeah,
they're.
One had a zone.
Let's see how many people actually aggroed.
Let's all die to it.
They're wiping right now for sure.
Please fraps that.
I have it on fraps. I have it all on fraps. I have it all in the pool.
Yeah. Unfortunately, they have a lot of people that didn't engage. So only half of them are dead, I'd say.
Yeah, I'm here on Chris Nubs, so.
They
They
just
wipe us. They wipe us. They have to see.
Do we have a wizard there? Is Ass Wizard?
It's dropped right now.
I need a
Yeah.
wizard.
We don't have